Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to install the Goodreads app on your phone. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. First of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. Now this is the homepage of Play Store. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. And on the search bar, simply type Goodreads. Then press search. So this is the app we're looking for, the one at the top. Now you'll simply have to tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. Meanwhile, let's talk about the app. Talking about the Goodreads app, it is an app created for book lovers. It is a site for readers and book recommendations. The app helps people find and share the book they love. So if you want to read any book online, then you can install this app and start reading them. The app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds. And the app has been installed. Now you'll simply have to tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app and you can start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.